Welcome students. Let's learn about addition of fractions today. So let's say you have two fractions 53 upon 25 and you want to add it with 11 upon 25, right? So one thing you need to understand about addition of fractions is you need to see the denominator. So if it is a like denominator, so here the denominator is equal, it is called like denominator. Then all you have to do is to add the numerator and have the common denominator, and then that will be your result. How? So you just need to do 53 upon 11 upon 25. So 53 plus 11 is 64 upon 25. This is your answer. Let's say you don't have an unlike denominator. This is the easiest example. Now if let's say you don't have an like denominator, so what you will do? Let's say you have 53 upon 25, let's say you have 5 plus 7 upon 3. So you have unlike denominator. So how do you change this denominator to a like denominator like this and then do the addition? So always you will have another step where you will have to change the denominator. So you need to do 53 times 3 upon 5 times 3. So what you need to do is to take this denominator, multiply numerator and denominator by this, and take this denominator and multiply numerator and denominator by the same number. So 3 upon 3 is 1, right? So we are essentially, what we are doing here is 53 by 5 times 1. That's what essentially we are doing, right? Actually we are doing. So now second is 7 by 3 times 5 by 5. Why are we doing this? So meaning to convert this into like denominator, you will do 5 times 3 or 3 times 5. You will get the same result. That's how we do multiply numerator and denominator by the same number, taking the numerator from the each other fractions and then convert it. So 3 times 3 and then 3 times 159 by 15 plus 35. Now you have the denominator equal. Now you can simply do addition of numerators, which will be 15, right? So this is going to be your answer. If you can further simplify this fraction, you can. If not, then this is your final answer. That's how the addition and subtraction is done. If you have an unlike denominator, you have to convert that denominator into a like or equal denominator, and then you can simply do the addition. Now, let's learn one more item about this is converting this fraction into a mixed fraction, right? So how do you convert? Whenever you want to convert this into a mixed fraction, you have to do a division, right? So 25 times 2 is 50, remainder is 14. So if you want to convert this into a mixed fraction, what you need to do is to write the divisor here, write the quotient here, and write the remainder here at the top. So remember, this can be written as this in and this is called a mixed fraction format. Whenever you have to convert a improper fraction into a mixed fraction, what you have to do is to write the divisor at the bottom here, write the quotient here and the remainder here. So when you want to convert this again into an improper fraction, you have to do a multiplication here and addition here, meaning you have to do 25 times 2 and then add 14 to that. So 25 times 2 plus 14 is equal to 64. So if you want to convert a mixed fraction into an improper fraction, this will be the way you need to do, and the answer is 64 by 25. Hope you understand this now. If you have any questions, put in comments. Thank you.